Smoke alarm test sticks are available pre-manufactured from several vendors. One option is a fiberglass pole with a hook on one end for reaching alarms and a button on the other end for actuating the alarm. Another option is a telescoping pole with a hook and a simulated smoke cartridge. A third option is a telescoping pole with a hook and an aerosol propellant to simulate smoke. A fourth option is a telescoping wand with a hook and a button for actuating the alarm. If you prefer to build something yourself, there are several do-it-yourself solutions to consider. Firstly, you can use a fishing rod without a hook. The line can be extended to reach alarms in high ceilings. Secondly, you can attach a hook or magnet to the end of a telescoping broom. Thirdly, a lawn sprinkler wand can be extended to reach alarms, and the sprinkler head can be removed and replaced with a hook. Fourthly, a hook or magnet can be attached to the end of a vacuum cleaner extension wand. Fifthly, you can connect a short piece of polyvinyl chloride pipe to a longer one using a T-fitting and add a hook or magnet to the end of the shorter pipe. When choosing or building a smoke alarm test stick, there are several additional features to consider. Firstly, some models include a light-emitting diode flashlight for illuminating dark areas. Secondly, some models have a built-in siren or buzzer to verify alarm activation. Thirdly, a retractable cable allows for easy storage and transportation. Fourthly, an adjustable hook can be rotated or extended to reach alarms in different locations. Lastly, an ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue during prolonged testing. Using these options allows one to test smoke alarms easily and safely.